Hey, you want to make money online on your website like we do, showing ads, getting $140, $161, $171, $216, $214, $344 about every month. So by showing these types of ads on your website and get approval as fast as you can see this is our website, which is SEO friendly, and this is how we're going to work on it. So in this video, we're going to tell you how you can get your AdSense approval as fast as 100% possible. So this is a secret. You're gonna follow these steps, and if you follow these steps, you are going to get 100% approval for the AdSense for your website and start making money like what we do. So all you have to do, follow these steps. The first thing what you have to do is a must. You must have at least 25 articles. I said it, you heard it. It's 25 articles on this website. We just started a few days ago, like a month ago, and we're not working on it. But I'm telling you, you have to have at least 25 articles to get your website approved. Because if there is no content on your website, if Google AdSense, when they come across your channel, when they run a logarithm and they see there are only few 3 to 4 articles, they won't approve you because it seems a scam. So you must have at least 25 articles to, your website should look bigger, attractive, have a lot of things going on in the website, so then you'll get approved. So one thing is a must, that you should write at least 25 articles. Number 2 is you must have daily 40 plus organic search engine visitors. Organic visitors daily. You must have 40 plus. If 40 plus new visitors are coming to your website, the Google AdSense or Google will notice that there are people who are searching for this material and they find it helpful reading it. So they will scroll down and they will, go through your website, and they think you have 40 plus daily new visitors. They're gonna approve you because they think your website is legit and your material is legit. So 25 articles, 40 plus daily organic search visitors. Number 3 you have to do is your website must appear in the search engine. So for that, all you have to go to a new, to put your website on all search engines. If you don't know how to put your website on all search engines, we'll make a video about that. You can leave a comment below to tell us. And number 4 is never use plagiarism. Never copy the material, never copy the pictures. For getting free pictures, use Pixabay. There's a website called Pixabay. I'll leave a link down below. Use that website, write your own material. Even if you're copying somebody's material, what you have to do, copy it and paste it on your website and change the wording. But whatever is written in the article should be same, but the wording should be different, so you won't get copyright or plagiarism. That way Google AdSense won't approve you because they think you have copied their material. So this is the secret of getting 100% approval. If you do all these things, you are good to go. I believe you're not copying the material. Your website appears on search engine, but first thing you have to do is get 25 articles done and make sure you get daily 40 plus search engine, people searching for your website, for people coming to your website. If you think you get these, just follow my steps how you can now apply for your website for Google AdSense. Follow these steps and get your website approved. That's it. In this video, we're going to learn how to add WordPress site with your Google AdSense account and start making money. For that, first you have to do, search for Google AdSense, click inside Google AdSense. In here, click on Sites, click on Add New, write down your domain name and click on Next. You get this code. For what you have to do, go to WordPress site, click on Plugins, Add New, search for Insert Header and Footer. Click on Install Now, activate it, go to Settings, click on Insert and Footers, and write down here the code of Google AdSense. Copy this code from Google AdSense and paste it in script in header. Click on Save, go back to Google AdSense and submit it. Normally it will take 5 to 10 hours to show ads on your website, but usually for sites which are not approved and which need a review, it will take 2 weeks. So this is it, how you can add your WordPress site to Google AdSense. And for more videos, please keep supporting this channel, and thank you for watching.